My name is JP. I'm with the Blue Purple Red channel. Sorry. So today, or now, I am going to document how to install this wonderful device. This brings me back to memory lane. It's 2018 now. I remember buying this product or this brand back in 2004 or 03 at a 330 Ci. And these guys made a great, or they make, shit. Right back. They make a great mount that goes into your car. They make products for a lot of vehicles. You can see this is the mount. It's got these funny shapes. It's got these funny shapes because it goes right underneath where the trim goes and allows you to mount a holder. And that holder can hold an iPad or an iPod at the time. In this case, it's an iPhone. And I'm excited to install it because I tend to drive, how do I describe that? With enthusiasm at times. And the phone that I'll have propped up using Waze or whatever will suddenly fall down. That kind of got annoying. But I'm going to do something different today. Well, I am going to install a mount and I'm going to install the holder. But I have a newer generation iPhone and it supports the wireless charging. So I've got this really thin fast pad from Vitech. And I'm going to use this mounted to the holder. And I'm going to throw my phone on there. And I'm going to wirelessly charge because all the new phones only have one lightning adapter, which means when I'm using my headphone set, I can't charge at the same time unless I get one of those splitters, and they never really work very well. So that's what I'm going to do today. So the first thing I'm going to do is use my trim removal tools to remove the trim here on the car. It's fairly simple. Start on one side, pry it off. There's little nubs that hold it in, pull that out of the way, and then this kind of goes underneath it. It's pretty easy. There's a little nub here on this side. There's one right about here. You want to try to pull up from where that spot is. There should be one in the middle over here as well. There's 4 spots, one here, one there where these white things are. And if this comes off, this goes back. Yep, move the first screw. It's a nice screw. I'll leave that open for now. I'll put the trim back on later. Next, I'm going to mount. This is called a T-button tipper. Oh, exciting. This gets mounted onto that with some screws. So this part right here, that goes in there, and then when you pull down on that, it will lock into place. It almost doesn't matter which position you put the base, because this will rotate freely. Put one screw in at a time, grab a nut in the other hand. That's what she said. Probably easier to mount this while this is not on the car. Drop a screw in. Put a nut on. Quiet bird. Little Asian hands for this. And then you're going to tighten that to about 48 Newton meters, I think is what the spec is. Just kidding. Okay. That goes like that. This is going to go this way. Cool. Okay. Test fit it. Cool. And now you're going to need one of these things. If you have an old BMW, this is a cigarette lighter adapter. This part plugs into where your flashlight would go in the glove compartment. Yep, there it is. Pull that out. Does that even work? Hey, look at that. And I am going to be right back. I'm going to use one of these things. Plug that in there. Attach this into the car. And key into accessory. We've got power. And then leave this in here. So this is going to go into here. I can't show you what it looks like with my phone on there, but put the phone on the pad. There we go. Put the phone on the pad, cinch it up together, and I should be in business. Good. And then put the trim back on. Well, because I don't have my phone with me, I'm going to show you what this looks like from a mirror view. And see, it's attached. It's pretty cool, and it works well.